Hi everybody, welcome to Mandaichi Customs. Today I want to show you a review of the Matchbox delivery truck from 2008. Here he is in his red color, in his vehicle mode, and I give you a short overall look of the car, here from side, from front, other side. The car is made from Diecast. This part here and the down section here is Diecast. The upper part, you can pull this off, is made from plastic. This is not hard plastic, so you have to be a little careful because it can here break up. What is really cool about this car is that this part here can move, and he can take cars. For example, here is the go-kart. This playing feature is very cool. I think it would be cooler if this part here would be harder plastic or could be also die-cast. But what I do like is that this part here is not white, that it is also painted. Because there are, I showed in my reviews, Matchbox cars which have an white plastic colored section at the top of the car, and which because of that the car looks cheap. But this is not the fact here by the delivery truck, and this is cool, I think. He has also printing. He stands towing. He has a little number 708. The upper part says Mattel 99, Thailand 1.90 scale, delivery truck Matchbox. And that was it. Thanks for watching.